Hi everyone. I wanted to update you on my fall and the condition of my hands as of now. So I did follow up with my primary. I'm quite colorful. I am able to use this hand and it hurts, but I can do things like I can brush my teeth. I can grasp and pinch and move it around. This one here, not so much. There's always one troublemaker, and it's this one right here. So this, well, both of my hands were hurt when I fell. This one here went right through. But on both hands I did have surgery. For the ones that have been around for a while, I am missing bones. I am quite bionic, and right now I'm quite broken. And yeah, I can't really do much with this. I do have a follow-up with my orthopedic surgeon first thing on Monday morning. Now, if you think this is pretty, I can't show you my face, but I'm a mess. This is starting to change, but my face is 50 shades of blue. Anyway, so I wanted to just touch base with you really quick. For everyone that's new here, I do have well over 1,100 videos, full tutorials from beginner to a little bit advanced, and I share everything. So just take a look at the playlists, find something that you like, get comfortable, and enjoy, because right now I can't do anything. What I do have in my next plan, when I can use this hand, I would like to show you the way I made these roots, because I've never done it this way before, and I'd also like to do it in pink. And also, for the materials, I will put everything in the description box. They're also in a playlist for links, everything I use from Amazon. So you can take a look at that too, just to familiarize yourself with what I use, and techniques. There, it's all there, just for fun stuff and tools and whatnot. Also, you can check out my last project, and you'll find that at Faithful Bead Artistry, and that's where you'll find Donna. Her and I work together, and if you look in my videos, you'll see the lamp that I was working on, the introduction to it. You'll find her link next to that, and just pop in over there and subscribe to her channel, because that's most likely where you'll find me with this project here. So like I said, just popping in, letting you know that I'm still okay. I have received emails, but guys, honestly, the phone is not my friend. I have dropped it. I just try not to use it at all costs. I record with this phone, and thankfully it's been set up so I don't have to move it around, and because I can't right now. But with that, I will let you go. I just wanted to thank everyone for all the emails that I'm not able to reply to right now, in the comments that you've given me great support and encouragement, and I'm working on it. I'm a work in progress. I've been broken before, and I am the queen of cortisone, surgery, broken bones, and hand splints. Can you imagine? With all of these hand splints, not one is supporting me where I need it the most, and that is right up to the tip of my fingers, because all of my surgeries mostly have been for the thumb. Well, except for the, well, yeah, trigger thumb, trigger middle finger, carpal tunnel, trapeziotomy, tightrope, button, pins. I am quite bionic, and I'm still broken. But I'm not gone. I'll be back. So check out Faithful Bead Artistry. Check out my lampshade project, and I will keep you posted with my progress as I recover from my trip. Not a vacation, just a trip and fall. But the next thing I'll show you is the roots to this tree, because I think I'm obsessed with this one here. Unfortunately, right now, this was the first, and right now it's the last, because I can't do this. But I will soon. and we'll do it together. Thanks, guys. I appreciate every one of you.